Hey guys, I got two of the same pocket knives from SCORPCO, and these are absolutely beautiful. This is the blue-Ochre Damascus G10. It's got a nice texture to it. It's got some slight milling in there, just enough to give it good traction. And it's running on ball bearings, and it's super smooth. We've got a straight back blade, which is D2 steel, and all their knives are made in Taiwan. It's got some nice jimping up top, with all stainless steel liners, and that liner locks up to about 50%, which is really good and super smooth. Absolutely love it. And this is the grey and black colour with a bit of purple in there. That's to my eyes anyway, but they're all different. But yeah, this one's the same. It's got the straight back, nice flat grind, and again super smooth. And I like how they put the SCORPCO logo on the pivot, and on this one as well. Give you a close-up look at it. It's a beautiful colour. Really nice colour. This one as well. And the blades are perfectly centered on both. And they're both just super smooth. So first I'll give you some. So the handle length is 10.7 centimeters. The blade length is 8.5 centimeters. And overall length is 19.2 centimeters. And it's comfortable, like really comfortable. And it's not heavy, it's quite light. This would be great for hunting, camping, hiking, backpacking. Yeah, you name it, it'll do it. So let's do a quick cutting test. Let's get my cutting board out. Just grab a bit of cotton rope. Haven't sharpened those as they come, and they come covered in the Blade Doctor oil, which is 100% organic. And that Blade Doctor oil, which I can't find here, I found it's really good on wooden knife handles as well. It soaks in. It's even better than linseed oil. Alright, next we'll do the hard rope. And this is bloody hard rope. This is 3/4 inch jute rope, which I've really old. It's gone hard as a freaking rock. But she's getting through it. It's getting through it better than some of the higher end knives I've got. I've got to say I love Taiwanese knives. They take pride in their work, and they really know how to heat treat that D2 steel properly. So, get some paper, see how it held the edge up. Still razor sharp. Razor sharp. Until you get down to the bottom. You can't cut with a choil. So yeah, that's just a quick look at that. And the black one. So I'll put a link in the description where to get them from. And I think they're only about $80, and that includes postage in Australia. I think the price might go up because everything's gone up at the moment. But if you want a good quality knife that's going to last you a long time and don't want to go spend a freaking fortune, I highly suggest grabbing one of those. So, alright, that's it for the video. If you like it, feel free to subscribe, give me a thumbs up and leave a comment, and I'll catch you on the next video.